Well guys, there's some tracks here in the snow. By the way, it's snow. Snowing. And these tracks lead back to the chicken coop. We made a trip down the road earlier today and brought home some new family members to the homestead. Just loading them in. Taking these first. They're not sure if they want to get out yet, but their home now is going to be nicer than the one they had. They were in a camper with just a shell, and now they got three layers of wood, so they'll be nice. Melanie says the chicken coop is nice and warm inside because of the heat. And then here is a couple ducks and some birds. They're all friendly. Got 3 ducks and 2 roosters and some egg-laying hens. The little gray and white, they say, is a great mother. She really takes care of the babies, and she's a broody bird and a really good mother. And all the girls are laying eggs, so including the ducks. So I figure there'll be some shock for a few days due to the move, but we're gonna have duck eggs, which I heard is great for cake. Now, I don't know what's guy or girl on the ducks, but I guess we're gonna find out. Well, that's a new addition to the homestead, guys. New addition to the family. Well, guys, there's the new family members. I threw out some scratch grain. Let them know this is home. The ducks are playing in the snow. It's funny. They're having a blast here. Look at that. They're eating snow. They're having fun. Well, the first birds stayed in the house for now, and the new birds are outside, but they'll mingle eventually. Well, there's our new family. Hi guys, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Today I have an update on my video site. Something new, really exciting. Make sure I'm not, yeah, okay, log off. Now, over here you see a little drop down menu. I hope that's on my screen because I can't see it on the my menu button on my camera is right in my face. But mouse is over here. You come on over here to the left corner and there's a drop down menu, and it looks to me like I'm just a little bit off. Yeah, my menu button on my camera is right in my way, so I can't see that. Alright, so right here, drop down menu and something new, channels. Here you can browse channels. Look at that, guys, and it's really cool. I don't know if this comes up in order of when they were produced or what, but there's my electronics, a tactical channel, a friend of mine, another friend of mine, somebody we all know from YouTube, from the comments. There's some other people coming on here. There's all kinds of channels, and it shows a preview of what they have uploaded and a little bit about their channel. Really cool, guys. So we're starting to look good here. Let's go to pick this guy. You click on his channel and we get an overview of his videos. Look at that. And now there's about page, so we can fill out the about section. I haven't done it, nobody's done it because it's brand new. So if I go to my electronics channel, I still have to fix the banner, and then I can fill in the about me section, and there's playlists, and you can click the play all button, and you can play all the videos in a playlist. You can customize and organize your playlists. So it's looking really good. So if you haven't checked it out, guys, go on over there and check it out. A lot of improvements and changes, and you can browse channels now. So I know a lot of people were confused trying to figure out how to find my channel or anybody else, and there it is now, right there. So check it out, guys. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Oh, by the way, the links are going to be down below. Where's my finger? Down below in the video descriptions and in the comments, so check it out. Hey guys, come out and see how the girls are doing in their new home. I hear the ducks. How my girls doing? The ducks are outside. Actually, all the new birds are outside. Well, they were, some of them inside earlier. Now they know where the door is. They're all standing in front of the doorway. But I think they'll be okay. If we have to, we'll usher them in tonight. Make sure they're safe. They get constant fresh water about 3 times a day. And sadly, oh, that's ice containers. Ice chunks. Melanie dumps the ice chunks out. But sadly, it freezes so much here. So they get fresh water 3 times a day. And boy, those ducks are loving that snow. That's funny. They're loving it. They're taking snow baths. Just getting it in their feathers and everything. They're not upset at all about this weather. Well, they're going to be okay, I think. Well, they were in a big outdoor area like this with their camper, so they should be good here. Because now they got real windows with window screens. They're going to be good. Got the rooster riled up. Melanie just shoveled this when I did that last video clip. It's coming down pretty good. I mean, it's not going to bury us or anything, but it's a pretty decent amount of snow. Oh, it's bitter cold, but I just thought that was a beautiful scene. The ending of a winter storm. The camera can't do it justice. It just isn't as pretty on camera. Oh, wow. It's so bitter cold, but I'm splitting firewood that I got out of the woods. I'm out of breath because I'm hauling it over here to split it. And it's so cold. It's just cold. Wow. It's hard to breathe. I ran in and grabbed the camera. Boy, I wish that would just look the way I see it in real life on the camera. It's so beautiful. The storm is passing. It's going to be a nice day tomorrow, I think. Oh, the car is buried deep. Pure white. The solar panels are pure white. That's a job for tomorrow. I gotta get in and I gotta get the firewood split and get in and get warm. Melanie will have a coffee waiting for me. It's so cold. That'll be tomorrow's job. Just splitting that little bit feels 10 times harder in winter. It's hard. It's for me. I'm not you. You're not me. But this seems harder in winter. It seems rough. The flipper ball is doing good. Oh, they're so soft. They're doing good. I can't feel my fingers very much. I'm gonna get it back in. I had gloves on. I took them off to grab the camera. But yeah, that'll get us through the night and part of tomorrow. I want to go in and get coffee. Hey guys, I'm all warmed up. It's minus 11 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's pretty brutal cold. I know some people are tougher than me, and some people are going to say, oh, that's not cold. I live up in the glacier, and it's minus 57 degrees Fahrenheit in a warm day. But, well, that's not me. This is cold to me. It's nice and cozy inside our tiny house. That's important. We keep it warm in here. All the firewood I harvested is doing its job, keeping us nice and warm. And as I said, look at that, tending towards sunny. I did not see that, the flashing sun, when I mentioned the weather earlier. So that is definitely good. Clear off those solar panels tomorrow and hopefully get some power in our house.